Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called the sound, and once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll down, and we have different volume bars basically, or volume adjustments, and we can adjust the volume for different things like media, call volume, ring, and alarm. And to adjust them, you can simply tap on the plus and minus buttons. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.